Right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be showing you how my two begonias that I bought from 5X Nurseries are getting on. Haven't been a video for several months now, so I've got these we just started off. These were just little plants, and I've got a video of me potting them on, and then I should have made a video sooner, but I haven't, unfortunately. I'm deadheading this, but yeah, as you can see, absolutely gorgeous. Look at the size of the flowers on this. Just look at that one there. Just get down there. I'm so pleased with these. Look, that's been as wide as my hand, that one. And I've had to, I'll just show you around here. I have had to support these because they weigh that much as they came there. And I've tied it all the way up from the bottom. I have tied it just to give it some support. You can see there's probably 1, 2, 3 spots there. Same with this one, all the way up, because they weigh that much. These flowers are so heavy. But yeah, as you can see, looking nice, and I'm so proud of these. I shall show you just how I go about deadheading these. We've got male and female flowers here. This is the male and this is the female of the seed pod. All you want to do is just nip it out there as close to the stem as you can get, and do it as early as possible to get hold of it, and then that way it will put more energy into the main flowers, which are these, the male ones. They're the ones you want to keep. So yeah, absolutely magnificent these are. I'd say they're probably 1.5 to 2 foot tall. If you can see this from here. So yeah, if you can see this one here, from there to there, so yeah, probably 2 foot tall. If I'd not supported them, they'd have gone over and they would have basically split themselves, damaged themselves. They are both called, I'll get the name out here. This one is called, wait a second, this beautiful one is called, let's look here, Whispers Begonia. Pale yellow, and it is actually a pale yellow. I thought it was cream, but I must be a bit colourblind. Just deadhead that one. See that one there. And this one is called, his name tag is here. I think I've lost the name tag for this one. No, it's there. Get it. 2 seconds, see about this, folks. And this one is called, if you see that one, Mrs. McLaughlin. I have grown this one before, and it's nice in hanging baskets, this one. So if you surround this one with the shorter versions, you have this one in the middle, and it really supports it. It really does look well. So yeah, that's just a quick catch up on my 5X Nursery begonias. If you have any questions, folks, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe, folks. Oh, by the way, if you like my videos, folks, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.